Hey guys, what's up? So it's Ashton, and well, I just got a few parcels, as we do, our daily parcels, and I was like, just going to open them as I do, and I was like, why don't we open them and just put them on the tube? So that's what we're doing. P.S. Since getting this lifestyle coach and nutritionist, I'm down 9 pounds. I'm so happy. So that's an update. Let's have a quick sip of the protein shake. Yeah, so let's open the packages. I am sitting on the floor because, I don't know, it's the only way I could get the camera to stay. And there's a YouTube video playing. I don't, like, whatever, I don't even know how to turn it off. So you're gonna hear Jennifer Lopez in the background, Trisha Paytas. I don't know who might come on. So I got a parcel from Amazon. I got a few parcels today. I'll open them both. I get like legit 10 parcels a day probably. First it's usually, Purelator's usually first, followed by FedEx. UPS comes in the afternoon, and then just generic Canada Post comes whenever they want to come. Although, shout out to my mail carrier because she's absolutely wonderful. What is this? I don't even know what it is. Oh my gosh! I saw these on sale on Amazon, and I was like, I need one. It's just a tire inflator. And it was on sale for like, I don't know, like $25 or something like that. I need to turn the TV off. 1 second. How do we do this? I don't even know. What's it called? Roku. Like, I can't talk to the TV. I don't even know how it works. Whatever. 1 second. There, we got the TV turned off. So, yeah. I don't know. It's just a tire inflator. Like to inflate tires. Is that another parcel? No. So, I don't know. It's just kind of cool. It's, I don't know. I just always have this fear like I'm gonna break down or the tire, something's gonna happen to the tire, but obviously if your tire blows, you just need to get a new tire. Putting air in it's not gonna work. I don't know. If you want to take fun big floaties to the beach, like whatever. It's just a good vibe, right? So I'm crazy, so don't mind me. Next parcel, Amazon Prime. I think I know what these are. I think these are like Glam Lights or beauty lights for the room, for like where I get changed and stuff. I think that's what these are for. And I ordered 2 packs of them because I have a huge mirror. It's not huge. It will just look better. Oh, sorry. This comes packaged plain. I feel like I haven't done an unboxing video in a while. Or like even a haul video. I said I was gonna stop doing them, and I did. So I just kind of got into like my life as a mess mode. I've been doing those videos. I don't even know the brand. It just looks like something cheap, to be honest. There's our friends, fire and ambulance. Let's say a prayer, shall we? Like, I don't even know how these go on the mirror. So there they are. I'm gonna go try and put them up, and I will show you guys. Like, this already looks like a process. What is this 3M tape? Is that like extra stuff or something? And I hope those wires don't show too much. Like, I really want things to look better. I don't want things to look shitty. I don't like that. You know what I mean? I'd sooner spend money, and then I try and save money and be economical, and then I get this shit sent to me. But let's try it. We're going to try it. Plain plug. I'm going to go put them out, and I will show you guys the finished product. So I have 2 packs of 10. Just because I want it to look really full, because it is a full-length mirror. And yeah, let's try and put them out. Okay, I'm sweating. Ugh. But we have one side done. I'll zoom in on them in a bit, but it's not too bad for like makeshift, you know, like makeshift glam mirror. I didn't do like the top light. I'm kind of upset about that. And now I'm thinking I should just do the top light and order another set for the bottom, but I don't know yet. So I need to go get the other set and we'll see what we're gonna do. Ooh, my trusty dusty mathematical skills. I'm not measuring a thing. Everything's being placed by eye precision. Ooh. Oh, fuck. I think this mirror was, oh, I don't think, I know the mirror was from Ikea, and it was only, I think it was like $70. Might have been cheaper. Might have been like 60 bucks. It was either only 70 or 60 bucks. But it is a nice, like, full-length white mirror. Well, I'm Huey. But, this is the mirror, and this is our beauty light. Like, this is the lighting, and it's gonna be so good. It's gonna make things so much better, so. Yay! This is great. Like, this is the first time, like, I've ever did. I'm gonna call it a DIY. I need to clean the floor, but it's good, right? I'm shook the house. Well guys, thank you for watching my channel. I'm really appreciative. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification. Follow me on Instagram, which I'm currently taking a little break from, at Ashton Maxwell J, and follow me on Snapchat at AJ Kardashian. Is it AJ Kardashian or AJ.Kardashian? I'll check and it will be down below. I won't be on for the next little bit, but I'm coming back very soon because big things are happening. Yay! I can't wait. Anyways, okay guys, I have another video coming out very soon and I'm excited about it. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Bye.